Hi, I will now show that if I pick 2 points and the line of equidistant points to them, which is this vertical line right here, that if I now pick a point here and I reflect that point over this line of equidistant points from the original 2, so here's the reflected point from this one right here, here's the reflected one. Alright, I will now show that this distance is equal to this distance. Okay, proof. First of all, since this point is a reflection of this one over this line, that means that this line right here connecting them is perpendicular to the given line. Then notice something. I pick this point right here and I connect these, you'll notice something. Oh, by the way, since the point is a reflection, we also know this distance is the same thing as this distance. So now on this one that I connected, notice that this triangle right here is congruent to this triangle right here because they share, side, 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 angle. So another by side, angle, side, they are congruent. Therefore, this angles right here, this angle right here between this and the vertical and this one right here are the same because they're corresponding angles of two congruent triangles. Now, notice something. This angle right here and this one together make up 90 degrees. Same thing here. So then this angle is congruent to this one. Alright. Now, given that that's the case, concentrate on these two triangles right here. And I will now select, say, this one here and this one here. Notice that since this one's got these three angles and the same thing for the other one, they share those. Now before, since these two triangles right here were congruent, these sides here are also congruent. And since these points, this line right here is the line of equidistant point from these two, then these two sides are congruent. So now I got that this triangle right here is congruent to this triangle right here. In other words, the green triangle is congruent to the blue triangle. And now, since they're congruent, then this side that is left right here on the green one and on the blue one are the corresponding sides. So those two are the same, and that's exactly what we wanted to prove. So in other words, this side right here and this side right here, that long blue side and this long green side, are the same.